Good afternoon. So let us start with today's session. What we finalized, let me write down here. So our answers are sigma T is equal to 60 Newton per mm square. Then sigma C also 60 Newton per mm square. Then we got sigma S or tau. We got as 30 Newton per mm square. And the fourth one we got as sigma B as 90 Newton per mm square. So this all are the material properties. Okay. Now what is the next step in machine design? हमने 4 स्टेप कर दिए. What is fifth step?
Design of
Dimensions.
machine.
Yes, design of machine elements or machine parts, or you can also in simple terms say dimensions. ठीक है, चलो अब start करते हैं. What is first part? Yes, we have started with rod में failure कौन सा होता है? Tensile. What is tensile failure in the rod? So for tensile, I will be using sigma T is equal to P by A. And for area, what I can write? Okay, so for area, I can write P divided by pi by 4 D square. Now why D square? Because this is my failure diagram. देखो अपन ने ये कल देख चुके थे. रॉड यहाँ से फेल होगा and the cross section area will be circle with a diameter D. So this is the failure diagram for rod. Now sigma T is known to me. Sigma T is 60, so I will write here 60. Load was given to me as how much? Can someone reply? What is the load?
80 kilonewton.
80 kilonewton. Again, mark the units. It is 80 kilonewton. So it will be 80 into 10 raised to 3, converting into newtons, divided by pi by 4 into D square. What is the unknown? Yes. What is the unknown in this?
Diameter.
Yes, the only unknown in this is diameter. So I will get the diameter here. Quickly give me answer. What is the diameter here? Solve and give me the answer.
41.20.
Okay. So we have analyzed this. D, that is dimension of rod, will be 50 mm, and this is my first answer. What is second part which we use in design of knuckle joint?
Pin.
Yes, very good. The second part which we consider for design is pin. And pin in first criteria we take it as shear. Pin ka shear failure. So again I will write sigma S is equal to P by A. So I will write sigma S is equal to P divided by area. Area of shear. So we have seen that. What will be area? Area will be 2 times. ऊपर भी रब कर रहा है, नीचे भी रबिंग कर रहा है. So it will be 2 into pi by 4 into D1 square. Why D1 square? Because we have assumed the diameter of pin as D1. So if you want the failure diagram, it was like this. There are 2 circles of diameter D1 each. So the failure diagram will be like this. Now in this,
Sir, in
sigma
every
S,
sum we have to draw the failure diagram
yes,
as well.
yes. Failure diagram, yes, failure diagram has 2 to 3 marks. So sigma S हमको कितना मिला था? 30 is equal to, load was given to us as 80, so 80 into 10 raised to 3 divided by 2 into pi by 4 D1 square. So what is unknown here?
Diameter of pin.
Yes, D1 is diameter of pin. So I will get diameter of pin as dash. How much? Yes, it will be
41.2.
Yes. अच्छा, अब इसका सेम क्यों आएगा? कोई लॉजिक बता सकता है? हमारा सेम क्यों आया?
स्ट्रेस आधा है.
हाँ देखो, स्ट्रेस आधा किया मैंने 60 और 30, क्योंकि हमने ये अज्यूम किए थे दैट टाउ विल बी 0.5 टाइम्स सिग्मा टी. तो यहाँ 60 था और यहाँ 30 है, बट ऑन द सेम साइड यहाँ पर एरिया सिंगल था, यहाँ पर एरिया डबल हो गया, तो बैलेंस हो गया, इसलिए आंसर सेम आ रहा है. बट ये कब सेम होगा? जब आपने यही अजम्पशन जो अभी मैंने बताया वो लोगे तब. अगर आप कुछ चेंज कर दिए तो अलग हो जाएगा, ये नहीं आएगा. तो हम लोग उस पर रिलाई नहीं करना है, हमको कैलकुलेशन करना है, जो आता है वो हम लिखेंगे. सो अगेन सेम अप्रोक्सीमेशन आई विल गो D1 is equal to 50 mm. Analyze it. So this is my D1. So this is my second answer or second parameter. Okay. In part B, what should I consider?
Crushing.
Single eye.
Crushing in single eye नहीं, crushing due to single eye. It is crushing on pin. It is crushing on pin due to single eye. तो crushing है तो हमारा आ जाएगा sigma C. Again I will write P by A. But area क्रशिंग का एरिया हमने देखा था रेक्टेंगल आता है, सो इट इज अ रेक्टेंगल. ओके, इफ आई ड्रॉ द फेलियर डायग्राम, इट इज अ रेक्टेंगल of size d1 by t. So if area I will write d1 into t. So substituting the value, sigma c कितना है हमारे पास? sigma c है 60. 60 is equal to 80 into 10 raised to 3 divided by d1 we already got, so it will be 50 multiplied by t. Now what is the unknown?
Thickness of single eye.
Yes, the unknown is thickness of single eye. And what is the answer for that? Calculate.
26.667.
So, if it is 26, go for something higher. So, it will be t is equal to, let us say, 30 mm. Yesterday, I have told you that in diameter, go for something more on the higher side, but for thickness, you can go for minimum on the higher side. So, 26 ka 30, ठीक है. Okay, so this is third answer, that thickness of single eye will be 30 mm. So, this is my third answer. Okay. What is the next criteria which I should consider?
Crushing due to double eye.
Yes, very good. It will be crushing due to double eye. शॉर्टकट क्या था? शॉर्टकट क्या फॉर्मूले का? P by एरिया में क्या हो जाएगा? इन प्लेस ऑफ, पहले तो 2 आएगा बिकॉज डबल आई है. D1 भी रहेगा. इन प्लेस ऑफ T इट विल बी T1. बस ओनली दो चेंजेस, मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2 एंड T की जगह पर T1. ये शॉर्टकट था, और ये कैसा है वो हमने ऑलरेडी देख चुके थे. इसका फेलियर डायग्राम कैसा रहेगा? सेम, इट विल बी टू रेक्टेंगल्स विथ द वैल्यू d. इसमें सिग्मा सी कितना है हमारे पास? सिग्मा सी है 60. ओके, सो सिग्मा सी था हमारे पास 60. P is 80 into 10 is to 3 divided by 2 into d1. D1 is how much? 50. Yes, d1 is 50 into t1. What is unknown?
Thickness of double eye.
Yes,
Thickness of
unknown is
double eye.
thickness of double eye, that is t1, which is equal to how much?
13.33.
13.33.
13.33.
13.33, no problem. 13.33. So let me assume, let us say it will be 15 mm. तो देखो, you can see the relation. T and T1 mostly are half of each other. तो अगर T 30 है तो T1 15 आया, it is correct. मतलब empirical relation है, T and T1 are half of each other. So this is my fourth answer. What is next criteria which I should consider?
Bending.
Yes, the
Bending.
fourth criteria is bending. And for bending we have the formula sigma b is equal to P by 2 T 1 by 3 plus T by 4 divided by pi by 32 D1 cube. Okay, what are the things which we need to find out from this expression? Is there any unknown variable in this particular equation?
No, sir.
There is
No, sir.
no variable unknown. So what should we do now?
Bending stress find करें.
Yes, we will now find bending stress. देखो, ये मैंने कल एक्सप्लेन किया था बहुत अच्छे से. जहां पर राइट साइड में सब वेरिएबल हमारे पास है, कोई भी चीज अननोन नहीं है, तो उसमें हम लोग स्ट्रेस की वैल्यू निकालेंगे. सो हियर आई विल फाइंड आउट सिग्मा बी विद दिस इक्वेशन. सो सिग्मा बी विल बी इक्वल टू P is 80 into 10 raised to 3 divided by 2. T1 we have how much? 15 by 3 plus 30 by 4 divided by pi by 32. D1 was how much? 50. Okay, someone quickly give me answer. Sigma b का कितना आ रहा है?
40.74.
40.74 can be accepted.
40.74.
Yes, mostly
74.
all of them are getting around 40 point something. So I will also assume that all calculations are correct, and I will also write here. Let us say 40.7. Anything. Newton per mm square. Now again some concepts which we have also discussed in previous class. What is the sigma b? This sigma b is what is induced. Okay. This sigma b, if I write, I will write IND. इतना stress आ रहा है because हमने ये dimensions use किया. So this is the bending stress induced in the component or in the pin. This is induced. और हमारा जो मटेरियल है वो कहाँ तक जा सकता है? हमारा मटेरियल जो है it can sustain up to
90.
90. So whether it is safe or not safe?
Safe.
Safe.
It is safe. So I will write as, so there is very less space. I will write as sigma b induced is less than sigma b. Design is, what is the statement? Design is,
Safe.
what should I do next?
Single eye.
Yes, I will consider my third component, that is single eye. सिंगल आई में सबसे पहला क्या आएगा?
Tensile.
Tensile. So as it is tensile, I will write sigma t is equal to p divided by area. What is p divided by area? Area क्या आएगा? d2 minus d1. d2 minus d1 t. बराबर. इसका अगर हमने फेलियर डायग्राम बनाएंगे तो कैसे बनेगा? इट विल बी अ रेक्टेंगल. Okay. So let us say this is d2 and this is, let us say, d1. So it is d2 minus d1 into t. This is the area. This is the failure diagram. Okay, it will be d2 minus d1 into t. So sigma t, what is the value sigma t we have seen? Sigma t कितना दिया था? 30. Okay, now what is unknown? d2 is outer diameter of single eye, which is equal to how much?
94.44.
94.44. So let me approximate it to 100 mm. What is the next failure? Shear. Shear में हमने देखे थे फॉर्मूला इज एक्जेक्टली सेम, क्योंकि उतना ही पार्ट वो रब करके बाहर आ रहा है. So sigma s is p by a. So again it will be p divided by d2 minus d1 into t. What is unknown?
सर शेयर इंटेंट फाइंड करेंगे सर.
Yes. फिर मेरे को ये जो लिखा ना यहाँ 30, this is purposely written just to check whether you are awake or not. I told previously only.
Shear induced find.
Yes, I told previously only when all the parameters of right side are known, हम लोग shear stress find करेंगे या जो भी stress देगा वो find करेंगे. So this is now unknown to me. Okay, solve करो. What is sigma s coming out? So this will be now sigma s induced.
फेल हो गया सर.
Fail हो गया. अब क्या करेंगे?
60 है ना?
60 है कि 30 है? sigma s 30 होगा. I think
30 है सर. सिग्मा एस 30.
फेल हो गया सर.
fail हो गया यार. अभी क्या करेंगे?